Hey everybody, it's Pam. In today's project, we are going to turn these super cute wood popsicles or chunky wood popsicles into some patriotic decor. And we're going to make it so it looks kind of primitive, kind of aged looking. These are chunky, so if you buy these, you are going to get several different pieces so that you get the width that you're looking for so that you'll have a chunky piece. All right. So all you have to do is just glue all of these pieces together and then decorate the top parts and then glue them on. So you have a nice chunky primitive popsicle. Okay. And we're going to start with the large square one first. And I've lined it all up because those pieces that go on top, I want to make sure that everything lines up. So I've put these side by side, and I'm using Tuscan red for my red, the top part, and then of course white. And then the blue that I'm using is called Tahiti blue, or I think it's Tahiti blue. Um, and I think that is made by the brand is Ceramicoat, but any blue will do that you want to use. And I'm not like being super picky about it. I am just using a makeup sponge and just dabbing it on there. Once you get it all painted and sanded and shaded on the sides, you can't really tell anyway. So just going through and just adding the paint just randomly, I guess you would say. So these are the three strips that go on the other popsicle, which is kind of the traditional rounded looking one. And it's the Tuscan red, the Tahiti blue, and the other color is called crystal blue, and that's from Americana. And then I'm doing the popsicle it goes on in white. And then I'm going to do the popsicle sticks with sable brown, and I ended up not really liking that all too much. So I ended up going back over it with a burnt umber because I wanted a little bit darker popsicle stick. Um, and then this is a little tag I'm going to be using, and I'm using the color burlap for that. Now, these words are scored pretty deeply. So when you're painting that, you want very little paint on your sponge and just very gently touch the wood. Okay. You don't want to go too heavy or the paint gets down into your letters. And then I'm using marigold to paint my stars, and then a navy blue for the other popsicle. All right. And then once I get everything painted, I'm just going in with my sander and really distressing the edges and making it look rustic, primitive, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to do each and every piece. Okay. Now this is available in my Etsy shop. I have it listed already, and you have the choice of either picking which one you want or the whole or all three. Okay, so you have a choice, and they will also be available to my painting group members. You get a discount, so be sure to use your discount code. All right, they will be available in that. And yeah, then I am using this brown wax stain that I get from Michael's, and I'm using a chip brush to put it on. I want it to look grungy and dirty, and I didn't want it sponged on or wiped on. I want it just to kind of look aged. So using this chippy brush really allowed me to give it the look that I was wanting. And I'm doing every single piece with this brush. All right. Um, just so that everything looks the same. And now we're going to get all of our pieces glued down. And there's score lines there. You can barely kind of see them on the camera, but they're there to help you with placement so you'll know where to put everything. Just make sure everything is lined up good. And then once we get this down, we're going to add some raffia and some ribbon and really get them all decorated or finished up, I guess I should say. And then once those are dry, I'm going to glue them onto their base. And like I said, these bases are several pieces, and just all you got to do is glue them together. You don't have to paint them. You don't have to do anything. Just glue them all together and do that first so they can all sit and be ready to go when you get through painting everything. And this is just raffia. I'm making a bow. And then I'm going to add a red gingham bow on top of that. And now they're putting their fall stuff out at Hobby Lobby. You can find raffia there. And the gingham ribbon I also find at Hobby Lobby as well. And for this one, I'm just adding the star. And then for the popsicle, I'm going to add the red heart. And then I'm going to add some ribbon and some raffia to it. And this one, I'm going to do a little bit differently. I'm going to wrap it around my popsicle and kind of tie a bow off to the side. And then I'm going to add my raffia. And this one will have the little round tag on it that says red, white, and blue. And that will be added to it as well. And then using my wired, it looks like wired jute. I get it off of Amazon and I really love it. And I can do like the little twirly twirls where you can wrap it around a pencil or something and give it the loops. And I'm going to put that in there too, just for another little added dimension. And for some reason, I totally forgot to show it in camera. I guess I was just so involved in getting this decorated that I didn't even think to show y'all. But if you want me to post a link to it, just let me know in the comments and I will. I love it. It does add a little bit something to your project, and it's just fun. So this popsicle here, I am using these Mylar stencils. This is new to my Etsy shop. These Mylar stencils are available in my Etsy shop. They are not included in the code because they're already pretty much discounted. You get 2 sets. You get this set that I'm using and then the 6x6 set also that you saw. So you'll get a set of 2 for $8, but they're not available as part of the discount. Okay. I just want to let y'all know that. And then just shading this, or, sanding the sides and putting the brown on it. And then we're going to get it all glued together. And then that's it, guys. Once we get the bows on this, our project is complete. If y'all have any questions, please just let me know. But like I said, you can get 1 or you can get all 3 or 2 or whatever you want to do. And you can use what other color blues that you want. It just totally depends on what your decor is and what you like to do. But I did kind of a couple of different ones so that you could see the variations on what the colors look like. But yeah, I did mine kind of grungy and primitive looking, but you can do yours bright and fun. Either way, it's going to look gorgeous. And thanks for watching, guys. If y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And I appreciate you watching. This video is a little bit longer than I normally do, but I wanted y'all to be able to see all of the details. And if you watch to the end, I have a picture, a still picture of all 3 of them together. And I hope y'all enjoy this project. I love these popsicles. I think they're a lot of fun, and there's so many different variations you can do. You don't have to do patriotic. You can do other colors as well. Just totally up to you, watermelon or whatever. Thanks for